this is part 3.
Sorry, you fell.
We're trying to...
Technical difficulties. We're opening this doll now.
Alright, why don't I just open this doll? Look, my foot. My foot is on her head.
Or you can unbuckle some of them, and I can take the doll out.
Yeah.
You can just
Unbuckle
them,
yeah.
and then I'll take the doll.
Then we will just switch with while recording. We have never switched out while recording before. So. Okay, I don't know how to do this. Alright, there we go. Alright, sit down. I'm going to zoom in. She's so pretty. So pretty. So pretty.
Background.
That's a cute background.
Yeah.
I'm going to move back a little bit on the bed.
I'm gonna look at the window right now.
I'm gonna do this one so you guys can't see it because I don't want to cut her hair. She has such pretty hair. I don't want to cut it.
And you're not dyeing this girl's hair.
Yeah, I'm not dyeing her hair.
Like
dye her hair.
Oh, true. Like this guy.
Yeah.
Some of this guy. See?
I did not cut her hair, which is good.
And I'm gonna
If you did not see in part 2, her name is Hope.
And if you didn't see part 1, because we also said her name in part 1.
Yep, her name is Hope.
And I'll take the doll out after she cuts all the strings off.
And one more string to cut.
Okay?
And then come and take her out.
And lay her down on the ground.
And then I'll record you doing this. You don't have to pause this because we'll do it like last time. We will just do this.
And I will sneak underneath you.
Like that. And then hold on. I'll tell you what.
Let me just get all these strings off.
Little stringies. Little stringies. Little stringies. Alright. Let's see. Cute!
So adorable.
I zoomed up on your face.
Zoom in on her.
I did. Like it's with you.
Let's turn her around so you can see her whole body.
Dark light.
So now
Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Hello.
I will be right back, and she will sit down on the ground.
And she's gonna sit right there.
And
Cute.
then I'm gonna try different outfits on her.
Yep. Oh wait, well I'll do that while you there. You know what? Let's try to find Kaylee.
Alright. So
We're gonna try to find Kaylee. Oh wait, Kaylee's right there. Over here.
Alright,
right there.
so right now I'm going to
We're gonna put some glasses on.
different Velcros onto.
Alright, you're zoomed in on this. Okay, Kaylee. You're gonna wear some glasses.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, they actually fit her really nice.
Because let's see what she has.
Yeah. Except hers were pink with blue. And again, like before, you only see pink.
And we are sick. That's why I'm coughing,
Wait, hold on.
sneezing, everything.
You only see pink.
In this video, you'll hear me sneeze a lot. Because I'm very sick.
Yeah, but
Okay, so this is the first combination of
little fuzzies, or not fuzzies, Velcroies.
Yeah, so you see them? Now I'm going to take them all off.
My phone is currently plugged in right now.
That's why you guys are so far away.
Yeah.
So technically,
After this, I'm gonna play Roblox.
it's unbagging too. You guys didn't know that.
What?
We're unbagging too.
Yeah, we're bagging. We're bagging that.
If you guys see snot in my nose, ignore it.
Yeah, we currently cannot.
Help our dog.
Yep. Tommy, what are you doing?
Ready for.
What?
If you guys didn't know, I did the voice of Tommy. Oh, y'all.
Yeah, show the voice. Yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
The glasses fall on his butt.
Alright, so now we're just going to do a bunch of clouds.
I do the voice of him. Definitely. And I actually do the voice of most of them. I'll do the Reset Bob. I do, Bob.
No,
I'm Bobby.
no, I'm Bob.
I'm Bob.
Bob.
Baba.
Bob. No, I have a name Bob in me, so I am Bob.
Baba.
Just saying my name is not actually Bobla for you to do not know. Our parents did not actually name us Bobla and Barb.
I'm Ava.
And I'm Ferdy.
No, she's Bella.
No, I'm Ferdy.
This next combination, a bunch of clouds and one butterfly. Yeah, and you want to do the next combinations?
Yosh.
I'm coming.
Rosh
I'm coming up there.
Rosh Hashanah. It's Rosh Hashanah, but who cares? Go. You know, I'm going to show you guys out the window really quick.
Look what you've done.
And it's an outside video. Outside. We're not showing you most of the cars because license plate numbers. So, you know what we're going to do?
Have the last four.
We're just going to try to block off every car that we see because we don't want you guys to see the license plate number. So,
Unless it's your car.
unless you guys live in QG's. And guys, it's not QG's in New Haven, Connecticut, so all y'all know. Can't creep us out. Right, Bella?
Yep. Alright. This last combination is a raindrop. I don't know what that is.
It's a bird.
What?
Let me see. It's a bird. No, that's a heart.
No, that's...
It's an egg.
I'm just gonna say 2 raindrops. It's in the raindrop form. 2 raindrops, a lady...
Hey, y'all!
Damn it, get out of the camera!
Get out of here.
Ow. You just threw her at...
Continue.
Okay, her hair's...
Hi, y'all!
Dimitri, get out of the camera.
Bye.
I will currently do her voice. I actually do not know what her voice will be.
Hi. I know what it should be.
What?
Hey, y'all.
She's 6. For y'all who didn't know, she's 6.
Hey, y'all.
There's only one other 6-year-old in this
Alright, guys, comment down below what her voice should be. Hello. Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Or...
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hello.
Hello, ¿cómo estás? We hit 8
Or
minutes.
hello.
We hit 8 minutes, Bella.
Or hello, welcome to Chili's.
Hello, welcome to Chili's. We don't have that many dolls with accents.
Yeah, probably like Diamond, Dimitri,
Hello.
Salana.
I know her accent.
What?
Hello.
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 I know her voice. Hello.
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 Wait.
British accent.
We.
Hello. We.
You guys want to see my red fingers?
Blinding.
So I'm taking over.
Okay, you can take over.
Alright.
And then we'll do her other outfit. The one with the jacket and skirt. Turn the flash off.
I am such a good person.
You can take over the video while I get